Hello everyone, and welcome to my new apartment. I hope the sound's okay. I hope you can see me. Should be okay. And today I'm going to do something kind of weird. I had a channel ages ago called The Street Mixologist, and it involved making cocktails with things that you could find at like the convenience store. And I scrapped that channel because it was too specific. I didn't want to have one thing over and over and over again on my channel. But I thought I'd do one today because I've been making this recipe for a while, and I want to introduce it to you because, man, so good. So I'm going to put my mask on. I'm going to suit up. We're going to go to the Lotte Mart. We're going to get some ingredients. We're going to come back here, and I'll show you how to make the perfect cocktail using everyday ingredients from convenience stores. Go to Lotte Mart, but same thing. You can do this at 7-Eleven. It's the same exact thing. So, funny story, I've actually been in Korea for 7 years now. And this neighborhood that I'm in now, where I live, in this new house, is not actually a new neighborhood. I lived here my first year. We called it Under the Highway. So, having not lived in this neighborhood for so long, it is actually kind of weird coming back, because there's the nostalgia factor of having already been living here, but having made so many new friends and all of them being gone now, it is actually quite surreal and lonely.
One man's garbage
to a degree.
And another man's art.
Another fun fact, they actually filmed Avengers Age of Ultron here. They have a motorcycle chase with Black Widow under a highway in Korea, and that's actually filmed here. So it was kind of weird seeing my home branch of my bank here on the big screen in Korea. Very bizarre. Oh, home sweet home. So, we've been to Lotte Mart and we've gotten our stuff. Pretty simple. You just need 3 things. So, our foundation is not Sprite, although you could use that. This is Chilsung cider, and I specifically got the strong stuff. It has a 5.0 on it. Don't get the wrong idea. That's not alcohol. I don't know what it is. It's just like Sprite with like extra punch. It's really nice. So this is our foundation. This is going to take up most of our drink. And we have the good stuff. You shouldn't mix with this, but fuck it, I don't care. This is Hwayo 25. This is $11 a bottle. The green bottle stuff is $160, $170 maybe. It's considerably more expensive. If you get the red cap stuff, as shown here, that's fine. You're mixing it with other stuff. This isn't exactly highbrow mix either, so I'm going a bit overboard. That's just me. And perhaps the most important part is chorok meshil. This is a plum extract. If anyone's seen Parasite, this is what they're drinking out of that big glass jar in the basement. That's homemade, it tastes great. This is the store stuff, but it's fine. So, we'll start with the chorok meshil. So proportionally, I like to make this about 25 or 30%. This is the one you need the least of. So we'll fill that to around there. And I like to actually put more soju than is necessary. I like a stronger cocktail. I love my Negronis. I like my old fashions. That didn't do anything. So let's put about 1/3 of this. And then we'll cap it off with the Chilsung cider. Very dead simple. There you go. Yebisu glasses are not traditional for this cocktail, but they look nice, and it's a clean glass. Cheers. Oh, it's so smooth. It wouldn't, like, you can't remove anything either. This is the key ingredient. You're just drinking, like, vodka and Sprite, essentially, without this. And if you don't have the Sprite, this is really syrupy and thick. You're getting, like, this thick plum vodka jello shot almost. It's not that thick, but you get the idea. So these three things meld together, and it tastes exactly like cream soda. It's uncanny, and it's so good. So next time you're out and about, you can get these in little glass bottles. They're like $1.20. This is $1.50. A soju that's not this is, what did I say, $1.60, $1.70? You're making a great cocktail for you and your friends. You get some paper cups at the store. $5, everyone gets to enjoy it. You can drink these all night. They're amazing. Time for me to enjoy some sushi and dessert. So, until next time, and my brain comes up with another concoction like this, adios muchachos.